it's Brittany here, aka Queen Beauty on YouTube, aka the former Miss Faces Modeling Troupe Incorporated. Mind you, that was like 2014, 2015, but you know, so that girl. So today's video is going to be a get ready with faces video. I'm going to be showing you guys a daytime glam look, you know, as you can see, you know. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and you know, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Here I am, you guys, barefaced and all. The first thing I do is I moisturize my lips. I already did that because, you know, your girl was not gonna get on camera looking crusty dusty. But the second thing I do is I moisturize my face. I use the Cocoa Butter Face and Body Cream. Now that I am all greasy and looking like a glazed donut, I am going to add my primer, which is going to be my e.l.f. primer. This is just to protect my skin against all this makeup that I'm about to put on. Okay, you guys, now I'm about to do my eyebrows. I use the same thing every single time. It is the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color dark brown. I also use, I don't even know what this is called. It's the Milani Easy Brow Tinted Fiber Gel. It literally adds little eyebrows to your eyebrow. Even though I don't need any because your girl hasn't got her eyebrows done in probably about a year. So yeah, this is about to be a thick eyebrow look for you guys. Now, I know my eyebrows look atrocious right now, but we're about to clean them up and make them look poppin'. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. This is kind of very close to my skin tone, so that's why I use it. Okay, you guys, we're gonna get straight into the eyes. I am going to do one eye off camera so I can show y'all what this look is actually gonna turn out to. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back. As you can see, I did one eye off camera. Obviously, you know, I feel like that girl already, and I only have one eye done and a lash on. Yeah. So I'm gonna walk you guys step by step of how I do this eye. And yeah, let's just get started. So I actually only use 2 palettes for this eye look. I use the Modern Renaissance palette. Had this is my first palette. I've had this for forever, so that's why it looks so rusty dusty. And I also have the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I've already set my eyes with the NYX white eyeshadow base. I just put that all over my lid, and now I am about to just buff it on out. So the first thing I'm going to go into is my Modern Renaissance palette, and I am going to take the color Burnt Orange. It's obviously hitting pan. It's like a tannish brown, light brown color. So you basically put down like a base or transition shade just so the other colors can go down smoothly and blend well. Now I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette and I am going to go into the shade Enchanted. It's basically like a really, really dark foresty green. Obviously the FAMU is coming out today because, you know, it is homecoming week and your girl always got to rep her orange and green. Okay, so it's pretty blended, so I'm gonna go back into my Jaclyn Hill palette and go into this burnt orange looking color that's called Hunts. It is right here. Hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna take that and pack it right in the middle of my lid. So I'm gonna go back into that Enchanted and kind of blend those 2 colors together on the outer corner of my eye. So the next thing I'm going to do is go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette. It is just a gold shimmery color right here. So I'm putting that kind of in my corner. And now I am going to go back into my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm going to put it on my hand so that way I can put it all into my inner corner right there, because I am going to add white. So the whole reason I put the concealer down was because I've had so much eyeshadow put on my lid. I didn't want the white to be covered up. I kind of wanted the white to shine through. So I'm basically going back into the Morphe palette into the color In Light, which is this like white shimmery shade. Now that both eyes are complete, we're gonna hop right into the face. I first am going to go in with the Illuminating Skin Enhancer. It's by LA Colors, and I basically just drop a couple drops of that on my face, and then I go straight in with my foundation. I don't really have much of my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation left. It's in the color Amber 11, but I do have a lot of this LA Girl Pro, so I'm gonna mix them together today, and we're gonna see how that turns out. Also, don't forget to go in with a damp beauty blender. So now I'm about to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, but this time it's in the color Warm Honey, and I'm gonna do under my eyes. Now, after I've highlighted under my eye and my chin and my Cupid's bow area, or whatever that's called, I am going to set my under eye with the Sacha Buttercup powder. I set my nose because obviously it's daytime and it's going to be a little hot outside, so you don't want no makeup coming off your face, sweating off. I have lav lines, so I like to set those just so you won't see any crease. So while that's baking, I am going to go into my True Complexions contour palette, and I am just going to contour. Since I have dry skin, I don't want to keep this powder on too long, so I'm just about to brush it away. Listen, I'm almost done, you guys. I am going to go into my blush. Almost done. I'm going back into my Jaclyn Hill palette so I can do under my eye. Okay, you guys, now that I am all done, I am going to add my setting spray. It's a matte finish setting spray, and it is by NYX. I almost forgot the most important part, the highlights. And now I'm just gonna add my new lip, and I will be back with the finished look.
I can love you with my eyes closed.